So you are ready to buy your computer case, but you don't know what to buy, or you are deciding whether you want to go expensive or a budget. So in today's video, I want to present the Montech X1. So when you're looking for a computer case, there are two factors that you look for: aesthetic look and price. Simple as that. In this case, fits what I look for: aesthetic look and price. At the time of this video, this case, it's about $57. The in-depth details and specifications of the computer case is going to be down below in the description if you want to learn more. Also, if you're interested in buying it, the link is going to be down below in the description as well. All right, let's go. Okay, the front side of the case is an open airflow with a modern futuristic look. The side panel, it's tempered glass. And well, there is the logo of the company. And to be honest, I am not a big fan of, since it's too big into the side of the case. The back of the case, we got the opening for the power supply, the PCI connectors, a 120mm exhaust fan, and the opening for the I/O shield for the motherboard. The backside panel, it's solid white, with a limited space for cable management. Under the PSU shroud, we got the hard drive and SSD bay. On the inside of the case, there are two SSD mounts right on top of the power supply shroud. An included 120mm exhaust fan and three 120mm fans in the front of the case. There is a cutout on the side of the front panel for extra airflow. On the top of the case, we got the power button, the reset button, mic and headphone input jack, two USB 2.0 and one USB 3.0. The top of the case has a magnetic mesh filter for the two 120mm optional fans. And the power supply also has a filter mesh. The case is beautiful itself. Let's talk about the ease of installation. How hard it was to put the computer together and assembly with this computer case. Well, I have to say that it was fairly easy. Now, one of the features that I like about the case is that it has the fans included. The fans don't have any effects changing or anything, it's just the solid rainbow effect. The only problem I had, like I said, in the back of the case is the cable management, but they did made a little cutout at the front of the case. They added a little space for cable management, but if you want to use extensions for the motherboard, extensions for the PCIe, for the graphics card, or sleeve cables for the CPU power, you're gonna run into some trouble with this case. So that's a little bit of a downside to that. Other than that, I give this case a 7 out of 10 because, well, the price, you can't beat it. It's a really good case, solid case. The rigidity of the case is good. It doesn't feel wobbly, it feels firm, and the fact that it's tempered glass, it adds up to the list of good things. Another of the features that I like about this case, it's the front panel being completely open, and actually you can mount a 360mm radiator in front of the case with your fans. If you want to do custom water cooling, you will be a little bit limited on space, but it's achievable. You can do it. Alright guys, this was the review of the Montech X1 mid-tower case. Do I recommend it? Yes. Like I said, I'll give it 7 stars out of 10 just because of the back panel, the restrictions in cable management. Other than that, this case, it's a bang for your money. I recommend it. This was Sergio with Tech Over Clock. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay cool, or stay warm actually in this cold weather. And happy 2021. Well, we're already there. See you guys next time.